Want to install and create an account on Viber? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to install Viber, I will need to go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the official Viber Messenger application, and then tap the Install or Get button to download the app to my device. After the installation is complete, I can open the Viber app. Now I will tap Allow for Viber to show you notifications. This is crucial because you need to see the notifications when you receive a message. I will allow Viber to access the microphone. I am now on the Viber welcome screen. I will tap the Start Now button. The next screen is the most important part of the registration process. Viber asks for my phone number. I will first make sure my country is selected correctly. Then I will carefully type in my mobile phone number. After I enter the number, I will tap Continue. Viber will ask me to confirm that the number is correct. I will double-check it and tap Yes. Now, Viber needs to verify that I am the real owner of the phone number I provided. It will automatically send a 6-digit activation code to my number via an SMS text message. I will now wait for that message to arrive. On many Android phones, the app will automatically detect the code from the SMS and fill it in for me. On an iPhone, I may need to open the message, memorize or copy the code, and then type it into the Viber app. I have entered the code. The verification is complete. Next, Viber will likely ask for a few permissions to work correctly. It will ask for permission to access my contacts. I will tap Continue. This is very useful because it will allow Viber to automatically show me which of my friends already have a Viber account. I will tap to allow access to all contacts. Now, I am at the final step, setting up my profile. Viber asks for my name. This is the name that other people will see when I chat with them. I will also add a profile picture by tapping on the camera icon so my friends can easily recognize me. It may also ask for my date of birth. After I have filled in these details, I will tap the checkmark or Done button. And that's it. The process is complete. I am now on the main screen of the Viber app. I can see my chats, my contacts, and I am ready to make my first call or send my first message. What do you do if you encounter a problem? If you don't receive the activation code via SMS, this is the most common issue. First, double-check that you entered your phone number correctly, including the country code. Second, make sure you have a good cellular signal to receive the text message. If you still don't get it after a few minutes, use the Resend Code option in the app. As a last resort, Viber also offers an option to receive the code via an automated phone call. And that's how you can install and create an account on Viber, getting you set up on the popular messaging platform. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.